Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the seat on your Life Fitness Life Cycle stationary bike. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to adjust the seat. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to adjust the seat, all you've got to do is press this little red button right over here. And once you press it, it should go ahead and adjust up and down. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the seat on your Life Fitness Life Cycle stationary bike. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. In addition, just make sure that when you're sitting on the bike, the angle of your knee is actually angled so that it's not fully extended anytime your foot is pressing against the lowest portion of the actual bike. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.